Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial. When you're facing lock to order on any Apple device, that is iPhones or tab, iPad, especially what's the easy way to get rid of it without Apple ID password, without knowing Apple ID, or of course, don't worry, if device that doesn't belong to you. However, you can terminate or wipe out or erase the permanence layer. You can get proper solutions to get rid of it. Easy way with the help of one laptop or PC. But we expect from all of you, my viewers, that try to execute step by step that I'm doing. And before execution, watch carefully 1-2 times and thereupon go for execution. Otherwise, if you miss a little or a small steps, then of course you couldn't maybe. So that's why guys, now it is locked, and when we close this and iTunes, and when we go for yes as a run as administrations this iTunes, after assessing the data, what's the messages are coming, let's see. After assessing the data, it's also especially indicating that your device is lost and there is show. Don't worry, either your device is lost mode, blacklisted, stolen mode in it, or you have gotten anywhere that device doesn't belong to you. Yes, do this similar status and you will be able to terminate permanently. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open a space line in 3U tool, guys. In 3U tool, as we see, this device has been connected. So just we come in the toolbox. In toolbox here, see, in toolbox, what we will do guys here, just we will come in the crash analysis and we will have to delete some data that is inside. Here it is saying no crash record, but of course here it is. Now you have to go in the inside of it, guys. Do it smartly, you will be able to term the permanently without touching on this device. Of course, new Apple ID will be here. I will show you. And of course, I'm not going to have any kind of the connection here, internet connection, etc., and it will be totally safe. When your device is a blacklisted or a stolen mode or lost mode, also you can go with the similar strategy without any fears. Yes, directly you can unlock it. So don't worry, it's a totally safe and manual method. But of course, there is also contribution of Apple database server. So I will show you here. Sometimes we are not having the good configuration with the help of the from the Apple database server. In that condition also, yes, this won't terminate this activation lock. So in that condition, we will make the artificial Apple database server by of course changing some especially option in this laptops and the or the PC, or then of course you can watch careful and then execution. So this one we have a terminated, so this one we have a deleted, and now second time is here we will come the smart flash option. We will try to refresh and latest beta version, go it. It will give you more than 100% accuracy, guys. If you are unable to execute a beta version, then of course go with us. So right now beta version, we will click here. We have a 3.4 beta version, but 2.4 I have downloaded here. So this latest one and this one we have downloaded. So download firstly before execution of the whole things, guys. Here, don't go for the retain user data flash. Yes, because of this data would be retained, and due to that you are unable to, especially you will be unable to get rid of it, this kind of the activation especially lock to honor. So now we will have to select the quick flash. Yes, this can work, so because all the data will be erased, or maybe it's already erased, and in that it will give you contributions to just batch activation properly, guys. So just we will go with this one. We will don't go with especially anti-recovery, otherwise it will take a much more delay times to complete the whole the process, because the whole the process it will take approximately more than 20 minutes, less than 30 minutes, guys. So that's why when you have a more than a special half an hour time, then go for execution, because uh, as we know that this is not an easy task, but if you do similar way, if you have a time, then you can go with. We will select this one, don't go for fix plus, because it's only address that whatever the iOS that has been damaged or impacted due to the bug or the viruses, that will only one cure or repair of it. So just we have selected this ones. Now it's the time to come with, especially that is the imaging PC. This is a crucial step, that here also some data we have to clear. So both thing I have completed. Now we will come there here on a, now see, just we will, you can go with the trial version, no problem at all. So remind me later, and the report device in the cam here. The finally, of course, we will cut it from this notification. We will cut it this as just I mean as extra or extra especially whatever the notification in the comments. Don't worry, we will have to cut it. Remind the issuance and in the properly, of course, we will cut it. Now here just let me go for here just we will back so that it will give a good configurations, and upon of course we will click on here. We have the show device console options. It is set down just above. We will come, yes, it can just show device console, yeah, this ones, just hit this ones. Now once again we will back and let it accumulate in the proper way that we have to declare once times more than 30 or 20 times. We have to 3 4 5 6 6 then let me once again 7. Let me have the once again back at, and we'll go for it. Yes, clear. We will have to clear. Now see what will happen here. Just let it clear. Now let it clear. Yes, 4 5 6 7 8, more than the should be at 20 times, guys. This one's after each 30 second maybe, or more than 30 seconds. Let's clear. So now see it's accumulating, and till the date of today it should be. Now 2nd December, now it's showing, and till the date of today data has been especially the fast show. Now we will go for it, we will go for it, we will go for it. Now here as we see on this, yes, we will go for, go for. Now it's almost, see guys, almost we have the clears. Now what we will do, it's time to come on here, and upon of course we will come in the especially toolbox 2. We have one RAC mode. Hit this ones, guys. So now see device is going in off mode, and it will give you especially, let me here, where is my console of this device, yeah, here it is. Just let it clear. So almost it has been the clearest. Now this is a saying, this is indications that it has been of course now in a recovery mode. So can I close it? No, don't close right now. I will show you the clue. If you face error, then you can address it. This is not a coming now anything. So what we will do, guys, we will click the pause, and of course we will go for close it. Now it will be stable there, and upon of course we can close the especially imaging PC. One software has been closed. Now we have a 2. So one here, see these IPSW that I have already mentioned to you, the company smart, these IPSW, if these 3 tool is giving an error, then what do you have to come the download options. We will approach to have this firmware directly. Click on open folder. In open folder you can have this same version. Pick this one, copy on your desktop, and upon this procedure can be rendered by virtue of this iTunes also. Suppose here on update option you will have to hold the shift key of your especially computer, hold it, and upon click on here you have a menu options. Come on the desktop, select this IPSW, and thereupon go for OK or update. So all the data will be erased, and the new beta version would be especially here. Everything will be wiped out. So here right now we would like to have See, this iTunes will take a time, so that's why we have closed it. Now just we will come with this one by this feature, we will hit this one, and upon of course we will hit this one. So now it has been reached on a 9%, 11%. Let's see further what's happening, guys. Here easy procedure, any kinds of the error will come, so of course we will plus to address it also, guys, don't worry. So now as we see here, 18% we have done. Now as we see here, it has been the rest on 80. Let's see, it will especially the reboot multiple times, or um, now it has been the rest on the 20, 34%. Let's see what's going to happen. If there any error will come, then of course we will address. Now see, it has been there is on a 35%. Let's see what's going to happen, guys. Now it is sending the firmware updated data. We will see further if there any error will come, don't worry. If there any error will come, then of course we will address together. But right now it's working, so now it has been around the 41%. It's a totally live, guys. I'm not going to edit anything, so because we don't have the much more times to especially I have the another professions, but just a similar execution you can go for, and of course you can terminate it. Timer is already, as we see here, not a 1 second that will be added to tutorials, guys. That's why it will of course it will take you the valuable time the much more. But don't worry, if you learn this tricks, then you will be the masters to terminate the comes from these feature lines. Either it is a screen passcode, Touch ID, Face ID, of course, or iCloud activation lock, lecture, or time screen passcode. Any kind of these physical can be terminated by using this strategy, guys. Don't worry. Now it is on a 41%. Once again, it will rebacks. Maybe it can be this factor. Nothing can be expected, guys. Here, because it will once again backs to, and it will start from the 20% to the 40, 46, and maybe it will jump directly on a 90%, 50%. So don't worry, we will address together. Now it's here the clear message during the flashing. Of course, during the flashing, the process the device may restart multiple times, multiple percentages, of course, jump low and down, descending number, ascending number, of course. So please don't unplug your device from especially PC or laptops. One thing I would like to tell you here, see, here is that approximately more than 60% it is there is indicating the 41%. That's why I'm saying just watch here, don't watch here. This data has been connected as we see this, and just let it complete. Directly it will give you, indicate to you, of course, impulse to you that yes, this has been rendered or the complete, and further we will proceed next step, guys. Now almost see it's why I'm sure that there should be no any error, because this is a thing that is a coming, and now this line is just decreasing. Now see, almost it has been completed here, see. So that's why I'm saying don't look there, because it descending number. Now see here, 42% it came, and here almost it has been done a little bit, scarcely 5%, especially the remain here. So wait for scarcely, 1 minute more or 2 minutes, then this procedure will be completed, guys. Now there, see, it is still stuck on a 42%. And here almost we have a completed, guys. Here, see. This procedure, whole procedure, that can be, of course, done with the help of also iTunes that I mentioned to you. Similar status by holding the shift key, but iTunes will take much more time, guys. That's why video will be lengthy. That's why I decided to execute by these options. But all the tool is necessary required to execute the inner requirements for before this and the processing practical experience. You will have to especially yes accumulate, that is the one 3U tool, all the tools if you want. Once again I repeat, 3U tool, it's a totally free. Imagine PC you can go for trial versions, that is a totally free. And third one is iTunes, that's iDevice management. These all are iDevice management tools, but some has some special feature that we will have to experience. And fourth one that also I would like to tell you guys, yes, IPSW, if 3U tool is not giving configurations to download this beta version, then go on ipsw.beta.coms and there is available all the beta versions. Select the model number and the of course you can download quickly by free of course. Or second options that we have, we can come on a www.3u.coms. On this website also there is available, guys. So from that website also you can easily download if 3U tool is not facing directly by virtue of this tool to download. In 3U tool also there is options to import, so you can directly imports. It will verify this firmware, and if it is mastered, then of course it will be. Now see, it is still, I don't know, it's not crossing the more than 40. And now see, directly from 42 directly it has given the message that congratulations, this clean flash has been complete. Now it's the time to have the crucial execution steps. What is it? Yes, it will come the toolbox. We will have to wait for highlighted. So let's maximize that so that you will learn step by step and yes, proper way, more visual. So because this is a screen record, I'm not going just by an external one Android device. Just I'm the recording. So maybe uh, I don't know, especially it's giving good visuality on this tutorial or not. This thing you are facing, then you have to raise the complaint before, especially yes, below the comment box, guys. Now see, these all that has been highlighted because it was in the hidden. So now we will come on. Firstly, we will take on it, select the all and hit this ones. We will have to and wait here that what's especially error is coming here. If any error will come, then you will have to handle it smartly by using, yes, firstly you will have to find out how do you find out sales model of your any Apple device. Easy way I have already mentioned. I will give you link this tutorial below this descriptions, and thereupon after watching that just go for find out this is sales model area and thereupon model sales area, and thereupon yes we will have to what create a virtual private network of that area particular. Suppose this phone was purchased in Hong Kong, you will have to utilize it, but especially Hong Kong, especially IPTs. This thing is very important. Now see, this successfully we have rendered. We will click on here, and upon we have one more option that we have to execute. So where it is, second options that we have a deactivation process, we have to go through it. Just click on here, and upon we will try it. So we will it's asking to wait for 10 seconds, so just we will do here, and upon let's see. Just now it has been highlighted. We will hit this one. Now this one also successfully done. So I'm sure, guys, now once again we will go for have the confirmations, this batch activation, hit this ones, and upon we will open iTunes here, guys, so that it will give good configurations. Let's open quickly. Now see, it has done successfully, and now it came on directly on a phone partial setup. So what we will do, guys, here, just let me now see. Welcome to a phone finds almost, and it's not assessing any, especially, guys, that this device has been linked to an owner, or especially iTunes was not giving the manually options to other generate any. Now it's saying the welcome to new. So it means yes, Apple database server has especially given us with some information that this is a new device, not its old one. So now see here, as we see, it's saying the welcome to new. So fine, what we will do here, the continue with the partial or erase enter offer. We'll go for continue partial. Now we don't have to do any extra additional force on this device, guys. Just do a similar strategy. Now here we will don't do anything. We will come the account in shine in. We have option here. We have options to create a new Apple ID. We will hit this ones. Let it access the data properly. What's the messages are coming on here? Just to see here, it's taking time. Fine. Now see here, we have the options is to create a new Apple ID, create a new password, confirm that password, select the country and the region, and the point, of course, go for accept these things, term and the conditions. This has been, of course, given by Apple, and the point, go for continue. So now magic happens. That's, yes, as we know that this ID would be a transfer on here, and the phone is device is yours. Now all. Now here is a saying in the partial I don't know, it's a taking time because there is no any internet connection has been given. So see, this iTunes works I have done. Now see, directly nothing happened here, guys, nothing asking anything, guys, just cancel it and everything is yours. Just let it give up proper server, Apple database server, and now see the magic happens, especially on this device. Now we can close it, of course. If see, this device is especially here that especially network is also Wi-Fi is not connected inside that. However, without proceeding any initial steps to activate of this device, of course we have the skips everything directly by using this and thereupon we will check it out the SIM card is working or not. Let's find 190. We will click on here and let's see if the SIM card will not work. Then we have also the one clue that we will have to. Now see, it's working, guys, but one thing also we would like to show you here. If the SIM card is not working, then just by a whole procedure, once again you have options to reboot. So all the data would be restored with the help of Apple database server automatically. Yes, with the help of, yes, disconnect this and that, especially after rebooting, disconnect this and whole configuration would be cast by this number you have entered on this device. So yes, network carrier configuration will come truly that what's the location you have, or you in you are. Yes, especially, and if it is going to be a proper given, especially by Apple database server, good configuration network carrier, then of course this network will also works magics. Now see, guys, if I go in the setting, there is no any ID here. The manually also you can generate, but don't do manually because maybe it will give you error. Then go for reboot and the phone after rebooting you can generate, no problem at all. But if I here go for manually, it will ask the data network. So on these phones there is no any internet connection, so we will have to connect Wi-Fi and upon the weekend. So right now we are not going to generate here any, but of course we can generate. How it is possible? Yes, by using just this era, this especially ID, all the data would be transferred directly here. No need to enter any kind of somebody has this. Yes, one thing more that I would like to show you. Of course, now your device it is. So just come the face screen passcode, enable it, and any password, just go for enter and thereupon create this password. Set the face ID, all has been disabled right now, so just enable it and the device will be totally safe now, and that's belong to it. This is all about in this video tutorial. As a further main inquiry, of course, the had a query below the comment, because the pleasure would be mine to the reply of the query, guys. Thank you for visiting a technology welfare, guys. And if you, yes, feel or found that this is informative tutorial for all the iPhone's beneficiary or user, or who is custodial to our use. Either he has purchased or not. That you understand very well, guys. Yes, but he would like to especially use of it, that go for via similar status. Of course, it would be. Or otherwise, you are the plan to open especially mobile repairing shops, and then there also you can the plus this process to by free of course you can terminate. So because as we know that some are paid tool also especially or paid website especially on internet, and they're not doing it, they are not working the proper way especially because they will unlock, but after some times it will be once again when it will come in a Apple database server, it will get once again that and it will be a link. So that's why it's a totally safe manual method you are doing, and after rebooting the multiple time also you won't be able to just now as a new one you can, because we are the creating new apply the password by iTunes as well as the. So this is all about, guys. Thank you for giving your half an hour time on this tutorial, guys. Thank you very much in that. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.